Here's a little update on our ice storm here. Getting that branch off that wire is going to be kind of sketchy. Here's my willow tree. It's destroyed. I'm probably going to have to cut that whole thing down. Branches all around the maple. There is not a tree in my yard untouched. My plum tree is damn near destroyed. You can still hear ice and branches falling and cracking. And my plum tree. I don't feel like walking all the way in the back, but I'm sure my apple tree is destroyed too. I think we can save this plum tree, hopefully. Pecan tree. This whole tree is probably going to have to come down. This is just a mess, man. Just limbs down everywhere. Another limb on the fence. Here's my maple tree I was hoping nothing would happen to. Got a limb on the house there. Limbs all on the ground. This is a mess. Well, just a little update there. Y'all take care.